So last time we were able to add a list to our view. All we had to do was type in list and then type in the text that we wanted. So now instead of doing it like this, we're actually going to create a variable. So if we scroll up here, we're going to create a variable and it's going to hold all the things that we've learned using strings. So we'll call this learnings, and then we'll make it an array of strings so that we can keep multiple different things that we've learned, and then just say equal and then make it an empty array. Now if we scroll back down to our list, we're actually going to pass it to list, but for now let's just copy the stuff that we had here. So we'll copy download Xcode, and then we're going to put this inside our string array, and then hit comma again, and then we're going to go down here and grab the next one, add to text, copy, and then let's just paste this inside learnings array again. And now when we scroll down to lists, we don't need to do these anymore, so let's get rid of that. And then beside list here, we're going to open this up as parentheses, and then we're going to type in learnings. And then next to it, inside this curly part, I'll just type in learning in. Nice. So this learning right here is basically each thing that's inside learnings. So it's going to be for download Xcode or add to text. So we have access to that. So you're going to see this error here. They're here for a second. To fix this, just ignore it for now. But to fix this, we're just going to type ID and then do \self. I'll explain this in the other video, but so don't worry about this for now. But for now, let's just type in text. And then we're just going to type in learning here. When the preview loads, you'll see that we still see the same list that we had before. And if we wanted to add more to it, all we'd have to do is scroll back up to learnings. And then inside our string array, right, we just had to add a new one. So we could do 8stack/vstack. But we did learn that too. And then you see in our list, it automatically updates. So we didn't have to scroll back down to list and type in that manually, since we're getting all the data, information from this learnings variable we created and just pass it to list. So that's how you use arrays inside your list in SwiftUI to show some type of data.